So health is 100% function of the body. And health, being our greatest asset, means we need to make sure the body's functioning optimally. So what controls every part of every function of every organ, cell, and tissue in your body? It's your brain. And this is the big idea. Messages from the brain have to flow through your body like a river, out those nerve roots to supply life, health, and healing to every single part of your body at 100%. Your hearts are beating. Your lungs are breathing. You're digesting food that you ate earlier. The food that you're eating is going to transform your life. And 76 trillion cells are living and active because your brain is telling it to do so. So we want to make sure that all the messages from the brain get every word 100% with nothing interfering with it. So for instance, say if someone would cut their head off, what would happen? You would die. All right, if I would cut a nerve root that's going to your heart, what's going to happen? You would die as well. So this is not a belief, or is this a fact? It's 100% absolute fact. This is not a theory. This is not a good idea. This is not, oh, it worked for some people. It's, well, I'll give this a try. This is an exact law of life that controls you and allows you to even hear me right now. And so the main area we look to is the spine. And the great thing about the nervous system is the only system in your entire body that's totally encased in solid bone. Your brain's in your skull, and your spinal cord is protected by the vertebrae of your spine. So why do you think your nervous system is the only system totally encased in solid bone? Because it's the most delicate and the most important. So when you look at the spine, it does a couple things. The first thing the spine does, it holds you upright. And that is called your posture, right? Absolutely. So your posture is a direct correlation with your health, right? So you have to be conscious of that posture. That's why we're correcting your spine, to correct you to have a proper, healthy posture. And the second thing that your spine does in terms of protecting, and there's 3 important areas that the spine protects. The number 1 area is right here. This protects your brainstem. Just think of Christopher Reeve bone or Superman. This is when he broke this, he damaged right there, his entire body stopped working. So the brain stem's the conductor, and it controls everything in your body like a conductor. Then the 2 other areas of your spinal cord and nerve roots. When your spine's aligned correctly, when it has proper posture, it should be that there's no laws being broken. So the messages from the brain can flow above, down, inside out to all parts of your body at 100%, or at least at its optimal God-given health potential. But now, if there's misalignments or damages of what your doctor or we call subluxation, say it's distorting your posture under gravity, then we're actually crushing the spinal cord, and we're stretching the nerve roots, and we're blocking off the vital information from the brain to your body. Now, is that considered healthy or sick? This is considered sick. So that's why posture and corrective care adjustments and the corrective care rehab exercises you do at home are essential for an amazing, healthy potential body, so you can live the life that you were supposed to.